friends, welcome back to Kids Zone with Trishy. That's me. Today we're gonna sing a song about... Can you guess? Do you think they could guess, Elmo? Yes, eggs, Easter eggs. We're gonna sing a song. Do you want to sing a song with Elmo and me about Easter eggs? You do? Okay, let's get started. First, we're gonna count the Easter eggs that we have. Are you ready to count? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? That's right, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 Easter eggs. 5 little Easter eggs from the candy store. Mommy ate the pink one. Then there were 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little Easter eggs as pretty as can be. Daddy ate the orange one. Then there were 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 little Easter eggs, colorful and new. My sister ate the blue one. Then there were 2. 1, 2. 2 little Easter eggs. Oh, what fun. My brother ate the purple one. Then there was 1. 1 little Easter egg. See me run. Pretend you're running. I ate the last one. Then there were none. Oh, that was so much fun. I like that song. Did you like it, Ernie? He did like it. Thank you for joining me, my friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you could sing more songs with me, Trishy, and Ernie. See you next time.